Grab this once in a while opportunity. 2.5 UHK, beautiful flat at one of the primest location of Pune in Undri near Bishop's School. 2.5 BHK, 1100 square feet flat at reputed builder Ganga Millennium. The quality construction surrounded by international schools like Bishops, Euro, DPS, schools, colleges, and market. So grab this opportunity. You can see the design of this flat. You will definitely love it. So pick up your call and for the flat visit, contact your real estate consultant in Pune and all over Pune district for plots, flats, commercials and residentials real estate. Please contact us at 9822091926. This flat is with 2 washrooms, covered car parking, and you can see the luxurious washrooms. So don't miss the opportunity and call and be the owner in style.